Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be working on triads today in the key of G major and the key of C major. The saw next door, they're building a Italian restaurant, and the saw is a G. Yeah. Well, let's do G triads in the key of G. So we got secondary form. We're going to start with our second finger. The harmonized major scale and triads. He needs to tune. All right, so let's do G major ascending. We got a nice drone next door. So G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, F sharp, diminished, G major, A minor, B minor, C major, and D major is where we're going to stop because we're in second position, starting with secondary form. Let's go to the key of C and do triads with our first finger. So we got C major, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, then it starts over again. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor is going to be the last one in that position. Let's go back to G major and we're going to descend. And so we practiced ascending. Let's practice the two key signatures going backwards, descending. So descending with D major. That's with an F sharp going backwards, okay? A, F sharp, D. You could also name the notes. G, E, C, F sharp, D, B. A minor is E, the fifth, flat third, C, A. G major starting on the fifth, D, B, G, C, A, F sharp. That's our diminished, F sharp diminished, or C diminished, or A diminished, right? Go up a fourth and go down a triad. So that would be up to the note B, G, E, that's E minor. Up a fourth would be D major. And then we've got up a fourth, we've got G, E, C. Up an augmented fourth would be F sharp, D, B. Up a fourth, perfect fourth would be E, C, A, D, B, G. In other words, naming the note, naming the quality of the triad, and singing the notes. G, B, D, E, C, A, B, D, F sharp, G, E, C, D, F sharp, A, B, G, E, G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, F sharp diminished, G major, A minor, B minor, C major, and stopping on D major. Let's go backwards. D major, C major, B minor, A minor, G major, F sharp diminished, E minor, D major, C major, B minor, A minor, G major. Okay. Let's do that in the key of C, but with our first finger. So up C major, D minor. See, there's an F natural in there. It sounds different, doesn't it? Training your ear. Also using your first finger. So primary with C major, secondary with G major. So up C major. Must have gone into something hard there. All right. Oh. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor. This is as far as we're going to go in that position, going backwards. And that's one way of studying triads, with the secondary form and with the primary form. Thanks for watching, and hit like and subscribe if you like what you see. And I'll see you on the next journey. Take care.